Primo Abez right now, getting ready to work on the OBS. I think we got the radiator, and we also have we're gonna fuck around with the transmission. So we'll keep you posted right now. Hey, what's up with it, guys? It's your boy Bustanando, Pedal to the Metal, Boost Mob, and we're here at Primo Abez, and today we're gonna be working on the OBS. We got a few things. We're gonna put that radiator with the fans. We're also gonna put the transmission in. I don't know if you guys noticed, but man, the truck dropped since we put the springs on there. My cousin said that it was gonna take a while for the springs to adjust, but it looks like it lowered a little bit, but it looks good. That's a good thing. I was already regretting. I was like, man, we should have put 4. We should have done 4 in the front, but starting to look good. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, we're gonna be working on that, bro. So make sure you go check us out. If you made it this far, make sure you like and subscribe.
Vamos en rumbo a comprar unos fluidos para la PECA, que es la OBS. Estamos a punto de poner la transmisión, el torque converter, el flywheel y probablemente la frecuencia de los turbos a algunas partes. Saludito, receta.